Igbo power. Kelechi Ndukwe makes waves as U.S. Navy captain. Wow, what a phenomenal achievement. Kelechi Ndukwe, an illustrious son of the Igbo nation, has shattered glass ceilings and made history by becoming a Navy captain in the U.S. Navy. This trailblazer's promotion is a testament to his unwavering dedication, unrelenting passion, and unbridled excellence. It's a proud moment for Nigerians, a beacon of hope for the Igbo community, and a resounding inspiration for generations to come. Captain Ndukwe, your star shines bright and your legacy will forever be etched in the annals of history. Congratulations, sir. I hereby announce to you, as is usual with Igbo Area TV channel, the promotion of Kelechi Ndukwe to the rank of Navy Captain in the U.S. Navy. He's the first Nigerian American to command a U.S. warship. IPOB Leaders Council accuses Nigerian government of selective injustice against Igbos. Aloy Ejimako, lead counsel to the incarcerated IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, has made shocking allegations against the Nigerian government. In a recent social media post, Ejimako accused the government of tolerating selective injustice against the Igbos, a situation he claims has worsened under the current administration. According to Ejimako, the Igbos suffered less marginalization under former President Olusegun Obasanjo and Goodluck Jonathan, but their situation deteriorated significantly under Muhammadu Buhari and has reached genocidal proportions under Tinubu. Ejimako's statement highlights the long-standing allegations of marginalization and persecution faced by the people of the southeast Nigeria, which have fueled the agitation for Biafra. Igbo women ambassadors mourn loss of iconic sons and daughters. A global coalition of Igbo women under the auspices of Igbo Women Ambassadors International has expressed deep sadness over the passing of 4 iconic Igbo sons and daughters. In a condolence message jointly signed by Ambassador Lady Marlene Onyocha and Ambassador Barrister Njideka Nnadiri, the group described the late Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, Chief Ken Emeka Ezeife, and Onyeka Onwenu as personalities of great repute and pride to the Igbo land. The group lamented the sudden trilogy of deaths, saying it has sent a gloomy cloud over the southeast of Nigeria. They prayed for eternal rest and acknowledged the vacuum created by their demise, hoping that the impact will inspire a new breed of Igbo youth to step into their shoes. The statement read in part, "The gaping wound in the heart of Igbo will take a long time to heal. We can only hope and pray that the impact these great people made while alive will inspire a new breed of Igbo youths to step into their shoes." The Igbo Women Ambassadors International urged the Igbo community to come together and find strength in their shared heritage during this difficult time.